So all that leads me to think about what I call an inductive pull model. So pull model, yes. Inductive, let me explain. Inductive, it's a way of getting things moving. So this is an induction motor, rotary linear induction motor. It has to do with clever ways of shifting voltages in a spatial thing, and things turn and move. It's great. This is an example. This induced cleaver into action. Get rid of this thing. Right? This is nothing here yet. Right? And what's interesting about this is that not one, not two, but three inducers to produce content nodes, apples, couches, first. I will point out that I believe that that's the case because in Drupal 6, I think it was the first really big usability test that took place at the University of Minnesota, where a lot of us had our eyes opened as to how poorly Drupal was doing on the usability side. And there was a classic video of someone who was asked to create content, create a web page, or I think just create content. And here was the navigation menu, and up there it said create content, right? And there's like these heat maps, the trails of their usage, and it went on, and people were just in horror. How can that be? It says create content, and no one saw it. So they fixed that. 1, 2, 3 times right after installation. So it works in theory, but in practice, we still have that problem of building around couches. So let's look at it the other way around. What if we built the spaces before we bring in the furniture? This is how I would see it happening. We do it through requests. First of all, we say, okay, in this space, I'm going to request some stuff. And you keep adding. You want to have the central feature, and you add all the details. All the decoration comes after the space is built. That seems very natural. That's the way the world really works. By the way, I did that diagram before I realized I'd done my own living room.